To view and save data on your PC via USB cable, make sure you have physically connected your analyzer to your computer with the cable, and then connect the meter in PSMA. We have another video on this process if you are unsure on how to connect. Once paired, the fastest and easiest way to collect data is to click Data Analysis, then Receive and View Data. At the top there are boxes for a default name for the files to be created and a default destination for them. You can easily override the name, and you can override the location by clicking on the magnifier icon and then browsing for your desired destination. The main section of the screen is a table. Each line contains a different file type that is in PowerSight. The number in the count column indicates how big it is. By default, all data types are checkmarked and ready to download. You can uncheck any that you do not wish to receive, however. When satisfied with your data type selected, hit the big green download button. When it is done downloading, the View Sessions data screen will open, showing all the monitoring sessions that you have saved at the destination. If you download a log file, it will open automatically once it is received. You are now ready to analyze and report your findings. Note that the data imported with this method is only from the analyzer's internal memory and does not retrieve any data from an SD card used during logging. Long-term tests and/or using very short logging intervals may result in the analyzer's internal memory filling up prior to the end of the monitoring session. If this has occurred, some of that data in the PowerSight will have been written over to make room for the newest data. That data is still available, but in this case it will need to be recovered from the SD card if you used one. Normally though, there is plenty of internal storage inside a PowerSight.